table expression, popularly known as CTE, is temporary name result set created from a simple select statement. Case expression is a condition that returns a value when the first condition is met. So on our data analyst tutorial, let's talk about CTE and case expression. My name is Abdulkadir Salami. Let's get it done. The case expression goes through conditions and returns a value when the condition is met, like if-then-else statements. If no conditions are true, it returns the value and the else clause. If there is no else part and no conditions are true, it returns null, also called case statements. Okay, right now I'm going to use my SQL invoicing database. So let's work on a case statement. So right now I'm going to use select payment, ID, payment underscore ID, and then amount, and now case when amount greater than 70, then I need a quote, expensive products. Okay, then when amount is greater than or equals to 68, then I quote, moderate products, else inexpensive products, and as product status from payments. So our case statement is just like our if condition in Python. Is a condition you give indicating when the value should be true and when it should be false. Then you end it with your dot status, or you end it with it. This is the final result. So right now we have our payment ID and then we have our amount. So we're extracting these two columns, and our case condition comes in when the amount is greater than 70. What I need is give me expensive product. But when the amount is greater than equals to 68, let it just be moderate product. Else, if it's none of these two, let me have inexpensive product and end as product status. So now let's execute it. So this is it. This is it. We have 8. So it's inexpensive. So we have it here, as you can see. So this is how case statement works. Okay, welcome back. Let's talk about CTE, which means common table expression, how to use it and when to use it. CTE, a common table expression, or CTE, is a temporary name result set created from a simple select statement that can be used in a subsequent select statement. We can define CTEs by adding a with clause directly before select, insert, update, delete, or merge statements. The with clause can include one or more CTEs separated by commas. Okay, so now let's practice this. Now what we are going to do now is we are going to write a CTE expression. So, and remember, it starts with with. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to paste my code. I'm not that fast in typing, and I will explain all the expression in that code. So right now, I have my code here. So the CTE starts with the with keyword, after which you specify the name of your CTE, then the content of the query in parentheses. The main queries come after the closing parentheses, as you can see, and refer to the CTE. So with CTE payment, as select payment ID, amount, name, and payment method. So what this does is that we are extracting our payment ID and our amount and name from this select statement. So as you can see, we can select everything from the select statement. What we did here, we are selecting everything from the select statement. So what this is going to do is going to place it in a temporary place where we can query this data. Okay, so now we have to use our select all from CTE payment and execute it. So we can just select payment ID or amount. We can select just these two instead of putting a stick, which means all. But right now we are using all. So we are executing all CTE payment so we can have a temporary place so we can query them. So in summary, what this does is going to place it in a temporary place where we can query this data. So that's just how it works. And right now you can see we have our aggregate function, which is count, and also we have our partition by. Likewise here we have our aggregate function and we have our partition by. So this is how it works. So now execute it and see. So this is it. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Thank you.